Hello friends, and welcome to Grow Health TV. Come with me and experience optimum health by growing your own food. I live in a forest in Zone 7. I cleared several acres on top of a hill in that forest for my garden, orchard, and my vineyard. I took this picture of the greenhouse in April of this year. The kale on the photo has been growing all winter. I planted it last year and have been enjoying it throughout the winter. But I want to talk about planting and harvesting vegetables the same year. So let's begin. I already planted and harvested my salad turnips and beets. I planted the seeds in February. You can plant the seeds indoors or in the greenhouse using a starter mix. Adjust your planting month to your zone. There is a difference of 1 month on average between zones. For instance, Zone 6 temperatures are roughly 1 month behind Zone 7. Therefore, March may be a better time for you depending on the crop you're planting. Although I do know of gardeners in Zone 6 who plant indoors in February. Cold hardy vegetable seeds like soil temperatures between 50 and 70 degrees, but 40 degrees will work. You may soak the seeds prior to planting in seed trays or however you like. You can use a soil thermometer to test the soil temperatures both indoor and out. Seedlings will appear from 5 days to 2 weeks. At this time, transplant them into your portable bed with a potting mix or a humus manure mix you make yourself. I mix compost or humus 50-50 with horse manure that is only partially composted. Some manures are too hot to do this with. I use 20-gallon Vivosun grow pots as my portable beds, or you can build your own. Once in the portable beds, water your seedlings every other day or when they need it. If the soil is dry 2 inches down, water. If the soil is moist, don't water. During the day, if temperatures are above 50 degrees, open the windows of the greenhouse. If temperatures are lower but it is very sunny out, open them up anyway. Temperatures can soar quickly, so open the windows in the morning after the sun has risen. Before the sun sets, close the windows to trap the heat inside. Pay attention to your seedlings, the temperatures inside and outside, the sun, the moisture of the beds, the moisture inside, and the humidity of your greenhouse. If it gets really cold at night, around 20 degrees, in the 20s, cover the seedlings with an additional frost cover or bed sheet, especially if they are not cold hardy vegetables, if they are vegetables that you are planting early to get them early. Some cold hardy vegetables include broccoli, spinach, mustard greens, turnips, beets, and kale. The greenhouse is also great for starting herbs and favorite vegetables like tomatoes, zucchini, cucumbers, or corn. Start these seeds about a month later than cold hardy crops and cover them if temperatures are below freezing, even if they're in the greenhouse. A greenhouse basically moves you 1 zone warmer, even more if you have a lot of sun. A frost cover over the plants inside the greenhouse moves you another 1/2 zone to a full zone. Daytime temperatures in a greenhouse during the day are approximately 20 degrees warmer. In early AM and early night hours, it will be 10 to 20 degrees warmer in your greenhouse than it is outdoors. A greenhouse also allows you to overwinter bulbs, tubers, without having to dig them up, as well as zone pushers like figs and pomegranates. this moonshot from my property concludes our chat. I hope you had a lot of fun. I hope you learned something, because this is just really neat to do this for you. So show your love by sharing, liking, and subscribing. Comment about gardening challenges, triumphs, and dreams. If you would like to support my channel at Grow Health TV, shop on Amazon by clicking the link below. If you make a purchase within 24 hours, I get a small commission. The greenhouse and other products are below. Learn more by signing up for my Patreon. You'll get premium videos at the silver level. There's a link below for that as well. Let's grow health together. Ciao.